Yeah, my name is Peter Cremer. I'm from Germany, and I'm biophysicist. I worked since a long time in a private hospital for oncology in Germany, and after a while I left that hospital and founded my own institute, Edith Liebergeld Institute, and from that time onwards we developed electromagnetic devices, prototypes, frequency machines, electromagnetic field machines to treat certain diseases only by electromagnetic frequencies. So, and our further research was on the human cells, how they behave. The charge of a tumor cell is negative, and the polarization of a white blood cell as well. So they can't match, it's impossible. They repulse each other. So, and we found a way to depolarize the negative pole into positive. So, and that was the way for our autologous vaccine to treat on a biological way. Our immune cells can detect a cancer cell again and can destroy it. There is no side effect. There is no harm. Is free from any damaging. Is only a healing signal. On the other hand, but we can't treat any chronic disease by antibiotics or by steroids or by chemotherapy. That's impossible. But a soft signal, a repeated soft signal, what we are doing with the autologous vaccine can heal. Not only can, it heals. That is a big benefit in our inner medicine to cure and to heal chronic diseases. A recent story, very successful story, and made me very, very happy and lucky, because the patient was a 22 years old lady, and I met her in KL last October, and she sat next to me crying about her fate, and because nothing could help. So anyway, we tried the autologous vaccine in her case, and 2 months, 3 months from in April, I traveled again to KL, and then I saw her, and I was very, very lucky because everything was gone, totally gone. Her body, her skin were clear and back to normal. So, and that made me very, very lucky and happy. So we talked about science firstly, and now let's talk about the technical part of the autologous vaccine. We need 30 ml of native blood. 30 ml, not in one syringe, in 3 syringes of 10 ml only. That is a must. No preservatives, nothing. Pure blood. And then we have to keep it upright, the syringes upright, opening on the top, for 1 day, 2 days, and by sedimentation, the Buffy coat gets formed between the red blood cells, and the serum is on the top. The Buffy coat appears, and it becomes solid. And then in the lab, we separate the Buffy coat from the red blood cells, from the sediment, and then we start the procedure. So once it's done, the patient gets 30 vials back filled with 1 ml of the vaccine solution, and the solution appears a little bit milky. There are some clouds visible, but the clouds are the most important thing, because the clouds, they carry the new information. You can inject here, and while injecting, you withdraw. You draw the syringe a little bit, the needle, slowly. So the content is not only at one spot or one place, it's a little bit, In short words, in modern words, that is like rebooting the computer, rebooting our immune system from the beginning. And that is very important, because people's immune system these days is very weak. Sorry to say so. It's very weak. ASI leads to the future of medicine, because it works like lock and key for this patient from where the raw material is coming. To me, it is the future. The future of medicine is individualized, and the future of medicine is physics. Yeah, and that's what we did the research on, and based on physics, on biophysics. Yeah.